Okay, this is the second box break of 2007 SP Rookie Edition baseball hobby for tonight. And as always, I forget that sticker front. Slice through that, get my knife back out there. Okay. Pack one, here we go. Sabathia, Mauer, Wright, Damon, Morrow, Owings, Baker, Henn. Randy Johnson, Kurt Schilling, Justin Morneau, Richie Sexton, Arias, Butler, Saltamakia, Ambrose. Crawford, Tomey, Drew, Kane, Slowey, Ryan Braun, Casilla, and Okajima. The last box I got a Ryan Braun autograph, but it is the Royals pitcher Ryan Braun. I was really hoping for the Brewers MVP autograph Ryan Braun, but oh well. Maybe this box. Okay, Francis, Reyes, Griffey, Schmidt, Flores, Pence, there we go, and Baker. Swisher, Carpenter, Hanley Ramirez, Rebello autograph, Felix Pie, Michael Bourne, Felix Pie, Gustavo Molina. Getting a lot of the two rookie cards of the same player in the same pack here recently quite a bit. Rollins, Edmonds, Bay, Jojima, Perkins, Slowey, Smith, and Braun again. Just like the Lincecum rookies, you can never have enough Ryan Braun rookies. K-Rod, Howard, Thomas, Ramirez of the Aramis variety, Slowey, Montero, there we go, there's another Lincecum, and Iwamura. Ichiro, Zambrano, Zimmerman, Sizemore, Iwamura, Segovia, Bailey, and Braun. Another Braun rookie, different type this time. Roland, Jenks, Kendrick, Konerko, Owings, Hughes, Pence, and Young. Yeah, it's nice to have these two autographs per box, but just the fact that half of these cards alone are rookies anyways really helps. Garciaparra, King Felix, Santana, Smith autograph. Sure would be a lot nicer if I got some good players though. Their autographs. Okay, Igawa, Gordon, Igawa, and Daisuke. So you got two Igawas in that pack. Arroyo, Duke, Lee, Ortiz, Hunter Pence. I like that one. My 93 SP variations of these are my favorites. Travis Buck, another Hunter Pence. You see that? It just keeps coming two at a time in these packs for some reason. This box is a little odd, but not complaining. Mariano Rivera, Barry Zito, Frey Sanchez, Adam Dunn, Brandon Morrow, Michael Bourne, Troy Tulowitzki, and Kevin Kuzminoff. Okay, two more packs. Kearns for Cal, Bonderman, Teixeira, Delman Young, Iwamura, Morrow, and Stewart. Last pack. Gagne, Willis, Lopez, V-Mart, LaRoche, Casto, Rebello, and Lindstrom. That's it for this box.